Hello everyone, welcome back. It's another hairstyling tutorial. As requested, this one is flat twists. A lot of you have asked for this, so here goes. Remember to have prepped your hair. When you're sectioning hair, section first with your fingers, followed by the parting comb. Keep the rest of the hair that you're not working with in a stretch position. As you can see, mine is in a bantu knot and I've used a clip. This is available for purchase if you want. And then you put your hair butter on the already moisturized hair to make it pliable so that it doesn't tangle when you're working. So to do flat twists, I section out the front of the hair, the front of the section, usually like a long section, right? So the front section, I separate into two. So just like you have with simple twists, where you're twisting two sections of hair around each other, it's basically the same thing, but you need to keep holding on more hair. So working with two sections of hair that you're going to work with throughout the length of the flat twist. Okay, so one will be on the right and one will be on the left, and basically it's the opposing thumb and index finger that will be controlling how you are moving these hair sections from left and to right. So just bear in mind your left index finger and thumb will be controlling the hair section on the right, and your right index finger and thumb will be controlling the hair section that is on the left. Okay, so basically I just want you to watch very closely. This front part, this first one I did is a bit technical, I guess, because I was just doing it straight up from how I would do my children's hair. But just hold on a second, and you will get to understand the movement of the sections from one side to the other. So what you need to notice is that as you cross hair, each time you go to one side of the twist, you hold more hair. So you hold more hair. So my left index finger has taken the section on the right and I've held a bit more hair. Don't worry, I'll come back into view and you will also see it come up again. And then when I do that, I hold the left section of hair with my right thumb and index finger. And then what I want to do is just slot my left finger a little way underneath and go back and hold the right. I hold the right and then I hold on some more hair. When I hold on some more hair, I held on some more hair just with my index finger. What I now do is that I separate out that other section. Can you see it? So that it doesn't tangle, because if it tangles, you're going to have issues with breakage. So I hold that and then I use my right to hold the section of hair on the left, and I've held a bit more hair. As you can see, I've held a bit more hair. I slot in my finger and I go and hold the right, and then I hold some more hair, and then I separate. Don't worry, I'll repeat this process about 3 more times so that you get a hang of it. Sorry, we keep moving in and out of the frame, but don't worry, just be patient. You'll see this in more detail. I'll do it a couple of more times so that you can understand. You slot in your finger, and then you hold the right section. Separate out the hair. This is why hair prep is very important, so that the hair strands can separate without breaking and tearing. Hold with the left. Hold the left strand with the right hand. Opposing hand, you hold some more. Separate out the hair. Hold. Take some more hair. Slot in your finger. Your fingers have to work very well here. And then you hold and you pick more. Separate out the hair. Hold and pick more. Have you seen it? So you just keep picking more from side to side. Slot in your finger. Do you see it? And then you go and hold the one on the other side. Separate out the hair. We don't want the hair to tangle up and break. Hold it, grip it, index finger, come back, hold again. Okay, so I'm just holding it properly. Slot in finger, hold the second side. Okay, separate out the hair, very important. Hold again, hold more hair. Slot in finger, hold hair. And then at this point, you've come to the end of the flat twist. Just look there, look carefully at what I'm going to do. And then I hold. Remember, Remember I said we're working with 2 sections like in a simple twist, and now we end up with our 2 sections hanging out. And then of course, if you've watched the video on simple twist, you just go ahead to twist this all the way to the end of the hair. Okay, so you just twist, simple twist all the way to the end of the hair. So I sped this part up a bit because I assume that you've watched the twisting video. If you've not watched the twisting video, please go back to my IGTV, or you can find it on the Mommy Mo Hair Care group on Facebook. It's a public group for now, so you can click to join, and the videos are available there for you to watch as well. On the page, you can also, on the group, you can also interact and ask questions, and I will respond to you. So now I want to show you something. At the end of the twists, this can happen with twists, normal twists, or this flat twist. You find out that there's some hair hanging out at the end. Please do not be tempted to pull this out. A lot of times at salons, you just find that the stylist just pulls out that hair. What you want to do is just get hair scissors and snip it off like I did. It's really, really important. Pulling out the hair at that end, what you're doing is that you're causing tears and you're causing split ends. Whereas if you give a clean cut with hair shears or hair scissors, then the ends are still in good condition. Hair scissors are also available if you need to purchase this. So we'll go on to another one. And remember, I first of all separate with my fingers before going in with the parting comb, neatening up the line, lightening up the parting, and then going in to do the hair. So yeah, separate, keep the rest of the hair stretched, put your hair butter to keep the hair pliable, to keep the hair malleable and smooth, and then you just start the flat twisting. So please watch very closely. Remember how I explained it in the first one, very closely, and just watch. Thank you, enjoy, and let me know what questions you have.